Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix black and white screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this black and white screen, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements and then tap on color adjustment. Now if you have turned on the color adjustment, then tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button it will fix your black and white or grayscale screen. But if it doesn't, then the second solution is go back to settings again and now tap on modes and routines. Now if you have turned on the sleep mode, then tap on sleep and turn it off. And if you want to turn on the sleep mode but you don't want to see your screen black and white, then tap on scroll down and tap on other actions, and from here remove the grayscale. Now click on done to save and then tap on turn on to turn on the sleep mode, and this time it will not make your screen black and white. So that's how you can fix the black and white screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.